Your home is likely to be the single largest purchase you'll make in your lifetime. But Home Buying 101 isn't a course they teach in school. So Granville has created this brief tutorial to help guide you down the path of home ownership.
From helping you get pre-approved with a lender to assisting you in the selection of your floor plan and familiarizing you with every facet of your new home, Granville strives to make owning the home of your dreams a worry-free experience.
Step 1. Obtain lender pre-approval. Granville has pre-selected a panel of lenders to assist you with the financing of your home. We know this is one of the most important steps in your purchase, so we want to ensure you have a team that makes your experience as enjoyable as possible. Give us a call and we'd be happy to put you in touch with one of our preferred lenders.
Step 2. Select a model and reserve your lot. Once you've obtained pre-approval, the next step will be selecting your home and home site. Stop by a Granville sales office to meet our licensed real estate agents and tour our model homes to select a home that fits your family and your lifestyle. Then, a Granville sales agent will show you the available lots and answer any questions you have about the floor plan you selected. Once you've made your selections, you'll be asked to make a $1,000 refundable deposit on your home.
Step 3. Schedule model walkthrough and select your design options. Once you've selected and reserved a lot, a Granville designer will contact you to schedule an appointment to walk you through the model you're purchasing. Your design coordinator will assist you in the selection of the features and upgrades that will make your home as unique as you.
Step 4. Sign the purchase agreement and sit back and relax. A Granville sales agent will give you an overview of what to expect over the next few months and then ask you to sign the contract for your home. At the signing of your contract, your deposit will also be increased. Craftsmanship takes time, and your new home is no exception. On average, your home will be built within a 6 to 8 month time period.
Step 5. Frame tour. Our quality assurance department will contact you to attend a frame tour prior to the drywall installation on your home. This tour also allows you to look inside the walls of your home and gives you the opportunity to see some of the structural features that set Granville apart from other builders.
Step 6. Granville 101 Customer Care Orientation. GV 101 is an introduction to our customer care team and a review of the final steps you'll need to take before becoming a Granville homeowner. Our team will let you know what to expect prior to moving in, along with how to get in touch with your customer care team after your home is complete. This will also be a fun chance to meet your builder and get to know some of your new neighbors who may be moving in around the same time you are.
Step 7. Finalize loan documents. Now that your home is within approximately 60 days of completion, you'll meet with your lender to finalize your loan documentation. Your lender will answer any additional questions that you may have and make sure that all documentation is complete.
Step 8. Home Orientation and Tour. During your home orientation, you can inspect your finished home and note any issues that may need to be addressed. You will also learn how to use and maintain every part of your new home. We will schedule a follow-up confirmation tour approximately 5 business days after this orientation, so you can verify that any repairs have been resolved and your home is ready to close escrow.
Step 9. Close of escrow and receive keys. During the week of your home orientation, you'll also be contacted to sign your final loan documents. Once your loan documents have been processed, your sales agent will contact you when your home closes escrow. At this point, you'll be able to come by the office and pick up the keys to your new Granville home.
Step 10. Enjoy the perks. When you move into a Granville community, you become a member of our Granville family. From special events held at each community to holiday gatherings and homeowner contests, we invite you to reap the benefits of our ongoing commitment to you and your family.
Step 11. Follow-up warranty visits. Because our measure of success is your satisfaction, Granville's dedicated customer care department is at your service once you move into your new home. Regular warranty visits will take place 30 days post-close of escrow, and then again at the 1- and 2-year marks. Take advantage of these warranty visits to have touch-ups and minor repairs made to your home. Or call our customer care hotline anytime you have a question or concern regarding your home. Our team will be happy to serve you for years to come.
It doesn't matter whether this is your first home or your fifth. We want you to know that you have a partner in your corner, an expert who knows how to buy, build, and maintain a home to the standard that you have come to expect from Granville. In our eyes, we don't simply build houses, we build relationships. So we will do everything possible to ensure you buy a home that allows you to live better, to live in the home you've always dreamed of.